Hi guys, another gzumwalt 3D printed keychain puzzle. Can you guess what this one is? Does that help at all? I expect it'll help if I put that with it, or is it that way up? Not sure. Find out when I do it. So I'll clean it up, put it together. There'll be a link in the video description to gzumwalt's original video and to his Instructables page, so you can download it and have a go yourself. That's the elephant up together. So if you want to see how to put it together, you'll have to go to his video, gzumwalt. I think it's gzumwalt, but gzumwalt. I'll show you how to take it apart. If I can remember. Oh, it won't come apart with that on there. Oh, this is a quick release one, so that's all right. Get that bit up first. Oh, light's gone flickery. Why is that? Well, that's it. Job done.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.